Hey everyone, I know it's been a minute. I've been away for some time for my youth service, but I'm back and I'm ready to dive into content creation again. And to kick things off, I want to share something that is a huge part of how I work every day. My favorite VS Code extensions that make me faster, cleaner, and a better developer overall. Let's start with the basics. These are the must-haves if you work with HTML, JSX, or React. The first is auto-close tags. This automatically closes your HTML and JSX tags. It's super simple to use and it's such a lifesaver. Secondly, we have auto-rename tag. This one sync tag pairs. You change the opening tag and the closing tag updates as well. Next is HTML snippets and HTML boilerplates. These give you shortcuts for common HTML structures. With just a few letters, I can scaffold an entire page, making this a huge time saver. Next, we have inline fold. If you're like me and you hate clutter, this lets you fold inline HTML attributes, so your code looks cleaner and easier to read. You can also use this for React props too. Now, if you're building with React or Tailwind, this section is for you. We have ES7 Plus for React, Redux, and React Native snippets. This gives you the classic use effect, use state boilerplate with just a few keystrokes. I use this every single time. We also have simple React snippets. I keep this alongside ES7 Plus because it has a few extra snippets which I personally like for functional components. After that, we have React extensions. This just makes navigating React components smoother. Things like syntax highlighting and auto imports. This is small but very effective. Following that, we have Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. This is very essential if you use Tailwind. With Tailwind CSS IntelliSense, you have auto-completion, class previews, and instant feedback. This makes utility-first styling so much easier and smoother. Finally, for this section, we have Font Awesome, Autocomplete, and Preview. If you are using icons in your project, this gives you a live preview and autocomplete for all Font Awesome classes. Now, let's talk about workflow and collaboration. The first extension here is something I personally enjoy using, and it is called Live Server. Live Server is simple but good. It auto-reloads your app in the browser while you code, and this makes front-end testing very seamless. And next, we have my second best, which is Live Share. If you ever pair program or do code reviews, this lets you share your session in real time. You don't even have to use screen sharing. You just code directly in VS Code. The final four I'm about to mention are extensions that every programmer should or would have. I will go ahead to list them as follows. The first out of the four is GitHub Copilot. This one is a game changer. I personally call it my silent coding partner. It helps you complete entire lines, functions, and even logic flows. Second out of the group is GitHub Copilot Chat. Think of it as ChatGPT inside VS Code. You can ask it to explain code, refactor, or debug right within the editor. I know previously I've mentioned Live Server as my best extension, but the next extension I'm about to mention is above my best, and it is called Prettier. I never push code without formatting it. Prettier ensures consistency. Just save your file and it formats it for you. And lastly, we have Monokai Pro. This is my go-to theme. Clean, colorful, and not harsh on the eyes during long sessions. That wraps up my go-to VS Code extensions. I use this every day, whether I'm working on a React project or building with Tailwind, or just trying to stay efficient. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. And also let me know what your favorite VS Code extensions are, as I'm always looking to try new ones. I'm excited to be back and expect more content soon.